Paikoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be showing you how to interpret line graphs. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, so in the last video that I recorded, we learned about how to create line graphs. And in this video, we're going to be learning about how to interpret them. So in a moment, we're going to be doing an IXL where we're going to be learning about how to interpret line graphs. And we're going to be reading the problem, then using the information in the problem to help us solve it. So let's try a few problems together. Okay, so this first problem reads, a vendor who sold bread at farmers markets counted the number of leftover loaves at the end of each day. All right, so this line graph is showing us the loaves of leftover bread. And if we look, the x-axis is showing us the day, and the y-axis is showing us the leftover loaves. And this question right here is asking, on which day were 4 loaves of bread left over? And the answer choices are Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. All right, so if we look, on Friday there were 3 loaves of bread left over, so it can't be that. On Saturday there were 5 loaves of bread left over, so it can't be that. On Sunday there were 4 loaves of bread left over, and on Monday there were no loaves of bread left over, so it can't be this one. So therefore, it has to be Sunday, because if we look, there are 4 loaves of bread left over for Sunday. So therefore, it's Sunday. So the answer for this problem is Sunday, because we took a look at the line graph and saw that there were 4 loaves of bread left over on Sunday. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's move on to the next one. All right, so this next problem reads, a stamp collector carefully recorded the postal rates of the stamps in his collection. Okay, so this line graph is showing us the U.S. first class postal rate. And if we look, the x-axis is showing us the year, and the y-axis is showing us the price in cents. And this question right here is asking, what was the postal rate in 1950? Okay, so if we look at the line graph, and we look at 1950, it looks to me that there are 3 cents. So the answer is 3 cents. So the answer for this problem, as I said, is 3 cents, because we took a look at the line graph and saw that the postal rate in 1950 was 3 cents. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's hop on to another one. Okay, so this next problem reads, in a report on hunting, a wildlife organization cited the number of deer per square mile. All right, so this line graph is showing us the deer population density. And if we look, the x-axis is showing us the year, and the y-axis is showing us the deer per square mile. And this question right here is asking us, in which year was the population density 9 deer per square mile? And the answer choices are 2013, 2014, 2015, or 2016. All right, so if we look here, in 2013, it was 1 deer per square mile, so it can't be that. In 2014, it was 3 deer per square mile, so it can't be that. In 2015, it was 9 deer per square mile, and in 2016, it was 10 deer per square mile, so it can't be that. So therefore, it has to be 2015. So the answer for this problem is 2015, because we took a look at the line graph and saw that there were 9 deer per square mile. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing a couple more with you guys. All right, so this next problem reads, for a history report, Ellie researched the number of states in the Union during certain years. Okay, so this line graph is showing us the number of states in the American Union. And if we look, the x-axis is showing us the year, and the y-axis is showing us the states. And this question right here is asking us, how many states were in the Union in 1800? All right, so this number right here gives me a clue that we're going to be looking at the 1800 part of the line graph. So if we look, we're going to count up, and it looks to me that this part of the line graph is on 16. So therefore, 16 states were in the Union in 1800. So the answer for this problem, as I said, is 16, because we took a look at the line graph and saw that there were 16 states in the Union in 1800. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing one more with you guys. Alrighty, so this last problem reads, during a meeting, the editor of the Belmont Chronicle showed her staff that too many spelling errors were making it into the newspaper. Okay, so this line graph is showing us the spelling errors made in the Belmont Chronicle. And if we look, the x-axis is showing us the months, and the y-axis is showing us the number of errors. And this question right here is asking us, in which month were exactly 80 spelling errors made? And the answer choices are April, May, June, or July. Okay, So if we look here, in April, there were 30 spelling errors made, so it can't be that. If we look at May, there were 80 spelling errors. If we look at June, there were 10 spelling errors, so it can't be that. And if we look at July, there were 40 spelling errors made, so it can't be that. So therefore, it has to be May. So the answer for this problem is May, because we took a look at the line graph and saw that there were exactly 80 spelling errors made in May. And that is how to solve this problem. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did and are a new member to my channel, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!